be sharing with you first try-on of the L'Oreal ProMatte Foundation. So this one, well, as you can see from my recent video, ang tinry-on natin is yung Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hours Foundation. So yun kasi, actually na-try ko na siya for the first few days bago ko siya ginawa ng review. Whereas dito kay L'Oreal, ayan, L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. Okay, 24 hours stay din ang claim niya. So, this one, first time ko talaga siyang gagamitin. As in, bubuksan ko pa lang siya ngayon. So, sabay-sabay nating i-test kung ano yung magiging outcome niya sa skin ko. So, as you can see, whenever I do, as much as possible, whenever I am going to do a makeup test, mas maganda siguro na wala munang ano yung skin ko. I'll make it a point na wala munang product na nasa skin ko aside from moisturizer and lip balm para at least honest to goodness na review yung makikita natin kung ano yung magiging itsura ng product sa skin. So this one, the original price is 650 pesos pero nabili ko siya on sale sa SM Aura department store. I think that was 399 pesos. And then, it comes in 30 ml. And then, ang sabi dito, 24 hours stay siya. Ang coverage is medium. And then, the texture is airlight. I like it. Airlight. So, tingnan natin kung talagang airlight siya. And then, meron din siyang oil control. Tapos, ako syempre, for my skin, I'll be using something na pink undertone. So, this is in the shade 102. Tinanggal ko na yung plastic wrap. And then, tube siya. So, maglalagay lang tayo sa kamay. Oops. Medyo liquidy yung product. And then, i-apply ko lang siya ulit sa skin using my fingers. And then, idadab ko lang siya with my favorite sponge. So far, talagang airlight nga. Wala kang mararamdaman. As in, literal. Parang wala. Parang wala lang. Parang yung super stay. Ganon. Ganon ang feeling niya. Parang hindi ka naka-foundation. For the coverage, yes, medium coverage. Pero ang galing, parang wala talaga. Parang ang nagmo-moisturizer. Tignan natin dito sa part na to. Ayan, sa part ng face ko na yan. Oh, wala. Talagang ano lang siya. Medium coverage. Kung baga, medyo i-even out lang niya yung skin tone mo. Sa mata. Oo nga. Dito palagi ako may redness dyan eh. So, dyan natin lagyan. Ito yung part ng face na wala. Ito yung meron. Wait lang, nakalimutan ko yung nose. Meron akong mark dito. Parang may hati na hindi mo maintindihan. Okay. So, right side, yung may foundation. Left side yung wala. So, as you can see, for the coverage, medium coverage kasi medyo kita yung blemishes natin dyan. But, to even out the skin tone, okay siya. And then, mattifying. Talaga. Yun pala, iti-test natin all throughout the day. So, ngayon, it's 8:30 in the morning. Tignan natin kung hanggang gaano siya katagal magsistay. This time, guys, na-apply ko na siya sa buong face. Ngayon naman, let's check if the product is buildable on the face. syempre, magsa-start tayo dun sa areas na meron tayong blemishes. Kung sa second layer, kaya siyang i-cover kahit pa paano. Kasi since ang claim naman ng product is medium coverage. So, lagay lang tayo dito. And blend. So far, medyo okay naman. Yes. Somehow buildable. And, ang ganda talaga ng texture niya kasi parang wala lang. Alam mo yun, wala kang nafe-feel sa balat. Para ka lang naglagay ng moisturizer. Tapos kapag nag-set siya or pag na-dry siya, wala lang. Airlight. Airlight talaga. Ayun. L'Oreal ProMatte Infallible on my skin. Hindi ko pa siya sineset with a powder, pero I think parang okay na. Hindi naman siguro siya mag-oily, no? Since matte yung claim niya. But we will do a wear test whole day kung talagang magiging matte to for 24 hours. So finally, here it is, my review for the L'Oreal ProMatte Infallible Foundation. So, to be honest, I'm actually wearing it now. Sobrang gusto ko to kasi as the product claims itself, airlight siya and then talagang nakakamat naman. So, speaking in terms of coverage, yun lang, with this foundation, medyo medium lang yung coverage niya. So, after applying it, it's buildable but somehow you still need to use concealer afterwards. And then, you can use your favorite powder to set the foundation on your face. Speaking in terms of texture, the product is very, very light. So, para ka lang nagpahid ng... So, it's like applying your favorite moisturizer. So, parang wala lang siya. It's very light on the skin and you won't feel a thing. So, in terms naman, when it comes to the mattifying effect, yes, the product is very matte. At the same time, long-lasting siya. It lasted for about 10 to 12 hours for me when I used it, when I filmed the first video. So, I actually filmed a different video right now, which will be up on Wednesday. And right now, I am currently also using this L'Oreal ProMatte Infallible Foundation. So, in terms of longevity, yes, the product stayed with me without touch-up, again, for 10 to 12 hours. So, if you are looking for something na foundation that is affordable and you can trust na talagang matte, long-lasting, and then airlight, yung hindi ka magkakaroon ng sticky, yucky feeling, you can get this product. This retails right now for 395 pesos because it is on sale. The original price is 650 pesos. And again, I use the shade 102 because I am pink undertone. So if you are looking for a good foundation that is mattifying and really airlight, this product is for you. Thank you guys for watching. If you are new to my channel, I am Tricia Ortañez. I'm from Manila, Philippines. I'll be doing product reviews, more of makeup, and then eventually, malay natin baka mapunta tayo sa restaurants, sa food, and whatnot. So, please like and subscribe. If you have comments and suggestions, please comment it down on the comment box. I am very, very much interested to hear what you are about to say on my video, since you know I am new on YouTube. And yun, see you again on Wednesday. Bye bye.